Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online income with a comprehensive guide on how to make money online. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or build a full-blown online empire, this video is packed with proven strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. We'll be exploring a diverse range of methods, from freelancing and affiliate marketing to starting your own online business. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of the internet and start generating income from anywhere in the world, grab your notepad and let's get started. First up, we're talking about freelancing, one of the most accessible ways to make money online. What skills do you have that others might pay for? Whether you're a writing whiz, a coding guru, or a social media savant, there's a market for your talents online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients. Create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects. The best part? You're in control. Choose your projects, set your hours, and work from anywhere. Niche down and specialize. Focus on a specific area and build a strong reputation. This helps you stand out, command higher rates, and attract clients. Increase your rates and build a sustainable online income stream. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time, online surveys and micro-tasks are a great option. While you won't get rich doing this, it's a legitimate way to earn a few bucks here and there without needing any special skills or experience. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer a variety of ways to earn rewards. You can sign up for free, complete surveys, watch videos, participate in paid offers, or even do small tasks like data entry or image tagging. The pay for each task is usually small, but it can add up over time, especially if you're consistent. One of the biggest advantages of online surveys and microtasks is the flexibility they offer. You can do them from anywhere with an internet connection, and you can work on them whenever you have a few spare minutes. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most popular and potentially lucrative ways to make money online. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or handle any customer support. You simply find products or services that you believe in, recommend them to your audience, and earn a commission when they make a purchase. There are countless affiliate programs out there, including giants like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, as well as smaller niche-specific programs. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to build trust with your audience and provide them with valuable content that helps them make informed purchasing decisions. Chapter 4. Online courses and ebooks. Sharing your knowledge for profit. If you're an expert in a particular field or have valuable knowledge to share, creating and selling online courses or ebooks can be an incredibly rewarding way to generate income online. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it easier than ever to package your expertise into digital products and sell them to a global audience. You can create courses on anything from photography and graphic design to business and marketing, personal finance, and beyond. The key to success in this space is to identify a specific problem that your target audience is facing and create a course or ebook that provides a comprehensive solution. Once you've created your course or ebook, it's all about marketing and getting it in front of the right people. Chapter 5. Dropshipping, selling products online without inventory. Dropshipping has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. It's a low-risk, low-cost business model that allows you to sell products online without having to handle any inventory or shipping. When a customer places an order on your store, you simply forward the order details to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The biggest advantage of dropshipping is that you don't need to invest in inventory upfront. However, it's important to note that dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and a solid understanding of marketing and customer service. You'll need to invest time in finding reliable suppliers, building a professional online store, and driving traffic to your website. Number 6. Blogging. Building your online empire. One post at a time. Blogging has come a long way since its early days. It's no longer just a hobby for sharing personal thoughts and experiences. Today, blogging is a legitimate business model that can generate significant income. The key to successful blogging is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has the potential to attract a large and engaged audience. Once you've identified your niche, you need to create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that provides value to your readers. There are several ways to monetize a blog, including display advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Building a successful blog takes time, effort, and consistency. Chapter 7. YouTube. Lights, camera, income. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and potentially lucrative way to make money online. YouTube has become a global phenomenon. The key to success is creating high-quality videos. This could involve tutorials, reviews, vlogs, or comedy skits, monetized through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and fan funding. Be patient, persistent, and focused on quality content. Chapter 8. Print on Demand. Designing your way to passive income. Print on demand is a fantastic option for creative entrepreneurs. You can design and sell custom merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more, without ever touching a printing press. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify handle printing, fulfillment, and shipping. One of the biggest advantages is the low startup costs. You can start selling with minimal financial risk. Chapter 9. Virtual Assistant, the in-demand online career. As businesses move online, the demand for skilled virtual assistants grows. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative help remotely. Common tasks include email management, social media, scheduling, and customer service. Find jobs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Indeed. Specialize in areas like social media, customer service, or bookkeeping. Gain experience, get positive reviews, and increase your rates. Chapter 10. Stock photography. Turning your passion into passive income. If you have a knack for photography or videography, selling your work as stock content can be a great way to earn passive income. Stock photography and footage are in high demand by businesses, bloggers, and publishers who need high-quality visuals for their websites, marketing materials, and publications. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo allow you to upload your photos and videos and earn royalties every time someone licenses your work. To succeed in stock photography, you need to submit high-quality, technically sound, and commercially viable images and videos. Focus on shooting popular subjects such as business, lifestyle, nature, and travel, and use relevant keywords to make it easy for buyers to find your work. Chapter 11. Podcasting. Finding your voice and monetizing your message. Podcasting has exploded in popularity in recent years, and it's become a viable way for creators to share their voices, connect with their audiences, and generate income. If you're passionate about a particular topic and enjoy talking about it, starting a podcast could be a great fit for you. You can create a podcast on virtually any topic, from business and finance to true crime and pop culture. Once you've built up a following, you can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, listener donations, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Building a successful podcast takes time, effort, and consistency. You need to be patient, persistent, and always focused on providing value to your audience. Remember, the more value you provide, the more your audience will grow and support you. Chapter 12. Tutoring or coaching. Sharing your expertise one-on-one. Tutoring or coaching can be a rewarding way to make money online while helping others succeed. Whether you're a math whiz, a language expert, a business coach, or a fitness guru, there are students and clients who need your guidance. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Preply, and Schooly connect tutors with students, while Coach.me and Clarity.fm cater to coaches. Tutoring or coaching offers flexibility to set your own hours and work from anywhere. And there you have it, 12 proven ways to make money online. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side, build a full-time income stream, or achieve financial freedom, the opportunities are endless in the digital world. Remember, the key to success in any online endeavor is to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these online income opportunities today and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try.